Jai Hind, dear students. Today we move on another chapter, that is entrepreneurial planning. What do you mean by entrepreneurial planning? Before starting an enterprise, the entrepreneur is to evaluate what type of business is to be starting. So, in this chapter, we are discussing about different types of business organizations. In this unit, we studied about types of economic activities, what are the different forms of business organization, meaning of business plan, format of business plan, organizational plan, production plan, human resource plan, operational plan, financial plan, marketing plan, formalities required to start a business. These are the different contents we studied in this chapter. So, first we starting is mainly human activities are classified into two. What are they? Economic activities and non-economic activities. What do you mean by economic activities? The activities which are undertaken to earn money is known as economic activities. They are primarily concerned with the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Next, non-economic activities. What do you mean by non-economic activities? The activities which are not taken up for monetary benefits is called non-economic activities. So, the activities done out of love, care, emotions, sympathy, patriotism are the examples of non-economic activities. So, we detailed study about economic activities. Economic activities can be classified into three: business, profession, employment. As you know, your plus one business studies class, you studied about what do you mean by business, the characteristics of business, objectives of business, what are the types of business activities, different forms of business organization. Already you studied sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company, and other different types of business order. That also come under your 12th entrepreneurship syllabus. So, economic activities mainly classified into two. What are they? Profession, employment, business. What do you mean by profession? Profession is an occupation in which prefers to have an acquired specialized knowledge. The person have an specialized knowledge in particular field, that is known as profession. What are the examples of profession? Doctor, lawyer, engineers. We studied the return of profession is fees. Second one, employment. What do you mean by employment? It refers to an activity where the person works regularly for others and get remuneration. The return of employment is salary or wages. You already know. Last one, business. What do you mean by business? The business is an economic activity. The term business is derived from the word busy or being busy. What is the main activities of business? Production or exchange of goods and services. Economic activities in other three classifications as they are manufacturing, services, and trading. What do you mean by manufacturing? It includes all those processes which leads to production of goods and services. Goods. Second one, services. And then what do you mean by services? Services are those specially identifiable, essentially intangible activities which provide some satisfaction to the workers. Last one, trading. What do you mean by trading? Buying and exchanging of goods and services is known as trading. So, types of economic activities, mainly they are classified into profession, employment, business. Furtherly, again other classification is there, manufacturing, services or trading. As you know, what is the meaning of business? The business is an economic activities exchanging goods and services with the motto of earning profit. The return of in business is profit. There may be some losses coming. That losses is known as risk. Next, we studied about what are the characteristics of business. What are the features of business? First feature is entrepreneur's presence. In this feature, the someone who take the initiative for establishing a business and who assumes the risk are associated with. The person who starting the business is known as entrepreneur. So, entrepreneur's presence is very important in starting the business activities. Second one, it is an economic activity. All the activities which are related to production, distribution of goods with the aim of earning profit can form the part of business. So, the main agenda behind the starting the business is to earn profit. Third feature is production or procurement of goods and services. A business activities is on which either produces or procure goods and services for offering to the customers. The goods and services may be classified into three: consumer goods, producers goods, and its services. Fourth feature is sale or exchange of goods and services. The sale of exchange of goods and services or purchased for personal consumption is not a business. The goods and services produced should be for the purpose of sale or exchange or transferring the one customer to another customers. Fifth feature is regularity. What do you mean by regularity? The on-time transaction is not a business activities. Suppose in your house an old car is sell and a new car is purchased. That time old car is sell, get some money for the sale of that car. That is not a business activity. The business activity means the activities which are carried on a regular basis is known as business activities. Next one, utility creation. The business activities which result in creation of some utility. There are, in your economics you study what are the different types of utilities: form utility, place utility, time utility. Form utility is known as production, place utility is known as transportation, time utility is known as warehousing. Seventh feature is profit earning. The profit is the reward of business. Any business cannot survive for the long unless it earns profits. Next one, uncertainty of return. Business does not guarantee for the return either the principal amount invested in the business or profit. There may be a chance of loss come under in business. That chance of loss is we referred as risk. Last one, element of risk. The business involves Risk due to the uncertainty of business activities are carried in an uncontrollable environment. Next, we studied about different forms of business organization. Mainly, the forms of business organization can be divided into three. They are known as private sector undertaking, public sector undertaking, joint sector undertaking. First one, private sector undertaking. You already studied about what are the different private sector undertaking in your 11th class. What are they? Sole proprietorship, partnership, joint Hindu family business, joint stock company, cooperative society. Next one, public sector undertaking. What are the different public sector undertaking? Departmental undertaking, public corporation, statutory corporations. So, in private sector, sole proprietorship, partnership, joint Hindu family business is collectively known as non-cooperative firms. What are they? Sole proprietorship, partnership, Hindu undivided family, they are collectively known as non-cooperative firms. Joint stock company, corporate societies are known as cooperative firms.